Alright guys, so I got my Echo Edger today. I'm going to get ready to change the carb on it and the fuel lines. As you can see right there, it's kind of leaking a little bit, and it's just a old Edger that I bought from another guy. On all my equipment, I love to change the carburetor and fuel lines on it. As you know, it's cutting season, so I don't want anything breaking down while I'm cutting, so I'm going to go ahead and change everything out. The hardest thing is probably the fuel lines, trying to get that fuel line right there out of that tank. That's pretty much the hardest part. So the first thing I'm doing, I'm going to go ahead and take the carburetor off. Alright, so I got those screws. Alright, and then you want to go ahead and take this off, which I've already taken that off right there. I think this right here is a 10 millimeter. Alright. As you can see right here, it's an old carb. Probably been on there since the guy had it. So I'm gonna go ahead and switch everything out. So next up, I'm gonna go ahead and try to get these lines out of there. Alright, so right here, all I did was to get this fuel line out. All I did was get this little flathead and popped it right on out. And it just pulls right on out. Comes as a set. And like I said, the hardest part is getting the new fuel line in there. This is the new one. I think I got it off Amazon for about $12 aftermarket. Alright, so in order to get this down in there, you got to have some type of lube on there to make it go in easier. Alright, you're going to need a flathead screwdriver. Push everything down in there. You just got to keep working it down until it goes down in there. And as you can see, got her in there. Black should be on the right side. Yellow should be on the left side. Alright, so next we got the new carb. So I'm gonna have to adjust this thing. It's a little bit different on the other one. Got her in there. Black line. Normally put a little lube on here. Alright, both lines on there. Put this gasket on the back side and gasket on the front side. No, it's one on the back side. I'm go ahead and put this one on the front side also as well. Oh. Alright, let me adjust this line a little bit. I think it's a little too far up on it. That's why it's not fitting flush. There we go. Alright, got gaskets and everything on. Tighten this back down. Alright, let's see.